just a quick video to fit our bases to the timber top. You'll need a tape measure, a decent drill. You will not be able to use a screwdriver, and the screws are provided with the base on top. Put your top face down, flip the base onto the top. So regardless of the size of the top that you've ordered, you just need to measure from the outside edge to the center of the directions. Straighten it up a bit. That's it. There's no need to pre-drill the holes, these will go in with a decent drill.